Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing the TV so settings respond. Check the remote batteries and make sure you're close enough for a reliable signal. Once done, unplug the TV for 30 seconds and plug it back in to clear transient faults. Then use the remote to open settings or the quick menu, navigate to System or General. You're taking the first actionable steps toward disabling safe mode by ensuring the TV is responsive and you can access the configuration menus. Now you'll locate and change the actual setting that enforces safe mode. In System Settings, search for Safe Mode, Demo Mode, or Retail Mode. These names vary by brand. Select the entry and toggle Safe Mode off, then confirm any prompts. You may need to enter the default PIN or your TV password. If you don't see the option, proceed to a settings reset, but preserve network profiles if the menu offers that choice, because that action often restores the normal operating mode. You're almost done. Restart the TV to apply changes and verify apps, inputs, and picture settings return to normal operation. If safe mode persists, update the TV firmware over the network or with a USB flash drive and attempt disabling again, because software bugs can lock the setting. If those steps fail, perform a factory reset as a last resort. Make sure you back up any account sign-ins or custom settings first. Troubleshooting tip: if the remote or power button.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.